This is primarily just to do a sound check in the bathroom. I feel we're picking up a lot of static in here. I just wonder if I've just done a test out in another room and didn't feel it was making the same noise, so just doing another test. It's a sanitizing machine. I'm just going to turn the sound up a little bit. That's the door.